that our phones are going to start going off at 2:20. So don't be alarmed. Don't be sitting around wherever you are, out at the bus stop or in the office, and everyone's like, meep, meep, meep.
And some folks probably already know about this because there's been a lot of talk on social media about this day, October 4th, and this test.
So FEMA, our Federal Emergency Management Agency, Federal Communications, will be sending out alerts to all of our media platforms, radio, cell phones, and television across the country.
All at the same time. So we want to bring in Dominick Mireles, who's the Director of Philadelphia's Office of Emergency Management. And you are here to explain more about this test.
Yeah, absolutely. So today at 2:20, there will be, if you're near your cell phone, if you're near a television, or if you're near radio, you will hear a wireless emergency alert or the emergency alert system broadcast a very distinct tone, something we've all heard before, but also let you know that that is a nationwide test of this system.
Okay, and so how long will it go for about?
So the alert itself, the tone is only a second or two long. The alert will be active for a half hour, so perhaps your cell phone might not get it immediately, but between about 2:20 and 2:50 this afternoon here in the Philadelphia area, you should receive that alert as long as your phone is capable, your phone is on, and you're opted in.
Now, I'm sure you've heard on social media, and so many people, they have so many theories about what is actually happening with all our phones going off at the same time. What do you say to those folks who are concerned about what this might mean or what it could be doing?
Absolutely. We deal with all kinds of theories for the last few years in everything that we've done, and so it's something that we track really closely and we take seriously to make sure that folks are clear on what it is and what it isn't. This is a test of technology that you've already seen used in Amber Alerts, in severe weather alerts like tornadoes. Quite frankly, all of the theories that I've seen out there are just so beyond base.
They're not hacking into our phones. They're not taking over. They're not tracking us. They're not aliens that are coming into our phone. This is what we had when we had that water problem. I was out at a rowing event down at the river, and everyone's phones go off. So this is something where you're letting us know, hey, there's water contamination. We should know it. Don't drink the water.
That's exactly right. So while this is a nationwide test, everyone in America should be seeing this at the same time. We've actually used this locally several times in the last few years here in Philadelphia. The Office of Emergency Management in particular has sent alerts for the potential chemical impact to the drinking water, has sent it for civil unrest in the past, and also for flooding during Hurricane Ida.
And it's interesting to know that for weather, that's a separate office. This is different. Now, are you the guy? Is it a button? Like, how does it work to send it off to everybody?
Yes, it's very exciting. You sit at a computer terminal, right? And you type in your message. You go through an authorization
process. No typos, hopefully. They spell check?
That's correct.
Okay.
Spell check is important. And then you hit send. And then at that point, there's a really complex network to make sure that not only does it go to your cell phone regardless of carrier and regardless of model, but it goes across any television station, any radio network all at the same time. So it really is an integrated network that you all are a part of, and we appreciate that you'll be carrying that test this afternoon.
So for the folks who are concerned, I mean, you're already getting the message. This is already something that's been happening. So at 2:19, where are you going to be?
At 2:19, I will be sitting anxiously in front of my two phones and in front of the television watching my local news station, waiting for that test to come in.
And if for something happens and it's not able technology, because you never know, there's another date just in case?
Yes, if there is a real event that would impact the test going off today, God forbid there's some sort of significant national event, there is a rain date that's established.
Okay.
We appreciate it. Dominick, thank you so much. So don't be alarmed about the alarm.
Don't be alarmed.
Exactly.
It's okay.